As he pulls up at 5G, he converts his speed into height. Perform his first maneuver, the Cortic Lover. Andy was born in Oxford and joined the Royal Air Force in 1984. Following a tour in Germany with the RAF regiment, he started flying training in 1988. On graduation, he was posted to RAF Lineham to fly the Hercules.
206 is leaving a RAF to the northwest and turning on track for Gloucester. Adventure 06, roger, report change normally. Okay.
Operationally, Andy has flown the Hercules transport aircraft in the Gulf, former Yugoslavia. He's also flown the Sentinel surveillance aircraft in Afghanistan and Libya. During his career, he has flown nearly 12,000 hours on 10 different aircraft types. The vast aviation experience of a skilled pilot like Andy is entirely fitting for the RAF 100 campaign as we celebrate our story, where we have been, where we are now, where we are heading in the future. Andy now pitches nose up 60 degrees, half rolls to inverted, and then pulls the Tutor through in a maneuver known in the military as a half Cuban 8. In addition to his operational career, Andy has completed 5 seasons as the captain of the Lancaster and Dakota, the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight, 2 of the most iconic aircraft in Royal Air Force history. Today, the Tutor is flown by the Royal Air Force's largest flying school, number 6 Flying Training School. Find out more about these exciting organisations by meeting University Air Squadron students from University of Birmingham Air Squadron at our stand today in the RAF Village. And you are now running again and reposition onto the crowd line via a Cortic Lover. As he does, we'll be able to see the historic Royal Air Force roundup painted on the underside of the Tutor. The Royal Air Force was the world's first independent air force. During the interwar years, it demonstrated its great potential during World War II. Since then, through the Cold War, the Falklands, the more recent conflicts in the Middle East, our people have continued to show extraordinary courage and dedication. We commemorate the service and sacrifice of those who have gone before. Flying in from your right, and your performance, slow roll. The Group 115E Tutor is operated in partnership with Babcock International Group. The high tempo of Royal Air Force operations continues today, with aircraft and personnel deployed around the world, supporting the Falkland Islands, Romania, Syria, Iraq and Afghanistan, whilst others secure the skies above the United Kingdom. The centenary provides a unique opportunity for the whole force of regulars, reserves, civilians and contractors to celebrate as one. Next, Andy will achieve 1,300 foot at the top of a half horizontal 8. Once positioned back on the crowd line, to perform a 4-point hesitation roll, which I'll let you enjoy. When it comes to wearing suits, a huge opportunity for personal development, embracing the Royal Air Force's core values, integrity, service and excellence, with sports and adventurous training around the world.
There are also 3 tutors and a
University Air Squadron members are not committed to a military career after graduation. However, many decide to join us. Furthermore, there are sponsorships to showcase the incredible opportunities that exist in the RAF now and in the future.
Good.
And he will now perform a half horizontal 8, followed by a loop.
From Ninja, do you have an updated ETA for our rain time? Legal standby.
Today, the Royal Air Force is expanding and recruiting for over 50 rewarding and demanding careers, such as air traffic controllers, engineers, medics, and cyberspace specialists. The Royal Air Force is an exciting future. The arrival of Lightning II, PA Poseidon. Andy is now approaching the end of the display, positioning to bring the Tutor down to 100 feet.
Station calling the Cosford approach again.
University of Birmingham Air Squadron, one of the larger UASs around the UK. Development of the Brazilian designed and built Embraer EMB 340. This aircraft also now up for replacement. Hard work